Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. In Python, a module is a file containing Python definitions and statements. The file name is the module name with the suffix .py appended. Modules allow you to organize your Python code logically and efficiently. They help in code reuse, as you can use functions, classes, and variables defined in one module in other modules or scripts. This tutorial will cover the basics of creating and using modules in Python, along with code examples. Creating a module is as simple as writing Python code in a separate file. Let's create a basic module called my_module.py. In this example, my_module.py contains a greet function, a square function, and a variable pi. To use the module in another Python script, you can use the import statement. Create a new file, for example, main_script.py. In this script, we import my_module and use its functions and variables. Note that we access them using the module name followed by a dot. If you only need specific functions or variables from a module, you can import them individually. This way, you import only what you need, making your code more concise. You can use an alias when importing a module to simplify the module name in your code. In this example, we use the alias instead of my_module. Python comes with a variety of built-in modules that provide additional functionality. For example, the math module provides mathematical functions. Modules are a fundamental concept in Python programming, enabling code organization and reuse. They allow you to create modular and maintainable code. Whether you're creating your own modules or using built-in ones, understanding how to work with modules is essential for Python developers. ChatGPT